Quantum numbers. What are quantum numbers? Quantum numbers are actually a solution to the Schrödinger wave equation and Heisenberg uncertainty principle. The Heisenberg uncertainty principle of the particle and wave nature of electrons, and the Schrödinger wave equation of the different electrons around the nucleus of different wavelength, and also the methods of predicting number of electrons depends upon their wavelength. So thereby results quantum numbers. Quantum numbers are address of an electron around the nucleus in an atom. So number of electrons in an orbit can be calculated in what main energy level and sub energy level, and their shape and orientation can be calculated by using quantum numbers. There are 4 quantum numbers. Principal quantum number given by the symbol n, the orbital angular momentum or azimuthal quantum number given by L, the magnetic quantum number given by mL, and spin quantum number given by S. So in this video we are going to see about the different quantum numbers in detail. The first quantum number is principal quantum number small n. The principal quantum number talks about around the nucleus the electron is present in what main energy level. So it used to calculate the electron is present in what main energy level, and also the distance of an electron from the nucleus. For example, the energy levels, the stationary orbit called the energy level from the nucleus can be named as K, L, M, N. Level n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So, the energy levels around the nucleus can be named as K, L, M, N, and for those energy levels, the value of principal quantum number n can be written as n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. For K level, the principal quantum number n value is 1. For the L shell, second shell, the principal quantum number value is 2. For the third level, the principal quantum number value is 3. For the nth level, principal quantum number value 4. For example, the number of electron in each main energy level can be calculated by using the principal quantum number value with the formula 2n squared. If we substitute the n value, principal quantum number value here, we can get the number of electron in each main energy level. For example, n is equal to 1, the number of electron is 2 into 1 square, that is 2. For the second level, the n value is 2, thereby 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8. For the third level, mth level, so substituting 3 into 3, 9 into 2, 18. Fourth level, here 4, 2 into 4 into 4, 8. Here the number of electrons will be 32. The electron, the respective electron energy can be calculated by using the formula minus 1312.8 n squared kilojoule per mole. So here simply the value is given for your level, that energy level can be calculated by using this formula is n of. So principal quantum number talks about the energy of electron present in energy level of electron, the electron present in what main energy level, and the number of electron in each energy level can be calculated by using the formula. Next one is the second quantum number, orbital angular or azimuthal or subsidiary quantum number given by the symbol L. So the second quantum number given by the symbol L. The orbital angular quantum number or subsidiary quantum number talks about the sub energy level around the nucleus in an atom. According to the spectral studies of hydrogen and other spectra, it has been found that along with the main energy level in an atom, sub energy level also present. About the sub energy level, the subsidiary quantum number talks about. So subsidiary quantum number talks about the sub-energy level shape that are called orbitals and their calculations. Here it is given by the value L. The value of L is within the value of N. That is, L is equal to N minus 1. The maximum number of electron in each sub-energy level can be calculated by using the value 2 into 2L plus 1. Next one is the value of N. The value of N is N minus 1. Principal quantum number value minus 1. For example, N value 1, 2, 3, 4 for KLMN level, the L value will be minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Like that of KLMN main energy level, the sub energy level are S, P, D, F. S, P, D, F. So are called what? Sub energy level or orbitals. The next one is the orientation shape we can study in the magnetic quantum number. Next quantum number is magnetic quantum number. Magnetic quantum number talks about the orientation of electron cloud in a particular subshell that are called orbitals. The orientation of orbitals and shape of orbitals can be calculated by using magnetic quantum number. Its value is ML. The value of M can be calculated by knowing the value of angular momentum quantum number L. That is, the M is equal to 2L plus 1. The value of M depends upon N and L. As we are calculating L by using N, we are using L for calculating M. So thereby M depends upon N and L. So the M is plus L, 0 minus L. So next we are going to see how to calculate the M value from N and L. How the M depends upon N and L. Now for example, the main energy level N is equal to KLMN. The main energy level for the principal quantum number values are N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. For the L value N minus 1 is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. That is sub energy level. Like that of KLMN, the sub energy level are S, P, D, F. For the value of L, 0 means the orbital is S orbital. The L is equal to 1 means P orbital, L is equal to 2 means D orbital, L is equal to 3 means F orbital. Now for example, how M can be calculated for the value of L? 0. So if we substitute M is equal to 2L plus 1, 2 into 0 plus 1, it is 0. For the S value, the orbital, the M value is 0. So S orbital is spherically symmetrical according to the value of 0, that is the spatial. Along the x, y, z axis, the distribution is same in all direction. So S orbital is spherically symmetrical. Next one is the P orbital. For the value of L is equal to 1, the M value will be, so if we are substituting the L value 2 into 1 plus 1, it is 3. So thereby P orbital will have three values of M, that is plus 1, 0, minus 1. So P orbital have 3 orientation in space. Along the x it is x axis, along the y it is y, py, along the z it is pz. So according to the L value, N value 2, L value 1, M have 3 value, thereby P orbital have 3 orientation in space, px, py, pz. And it is a dumbbell shaped. The center point is called a node, where the probability of finding electron is 0 about P orbital. Next one is the L value is 2. For that, what is the M value is, if we substitute the L value here, 2 into 2 plus 1, it is 5. So plus 2 plus 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2. For the L value 2, the M will have 5 possible orientation, magnetic orientation, that is dxy, dyz, dxz, dx square minus y square and dz square. So there are 5 d orbital. Each d orbital can accommodate 2 electrons. Totally d orbital can accommodate 10 electrons. Here 3 p orbital, each p orbital can accommodate 2 electron, thereby it can accommodate 6 electron. Only one s orbital, it can accommodate 2 electrons. So d orbital is clover leaf shaped. Dxy, yz, xz is in between the axis. Dx squared minus y squared, dz squared is along the axis. These three orients in between the axis, and here the two orients along the axis. So about d orbital. So for the L value 2, the d orbital possesses 5 different orientation. Next one is for the n value 4, L value 3, the f orbital possesses 7 orientation. Each f orbital can accommodate 2 electron. Totally f orbital can accommodate 7 electron. S orbital can accommodate 2, p orbital can accommodate 6, d orbital can accommodate 10, f orbital can accommodate 14 electrons. The shape is not given, that will be comes in higher level of your classes. So about the magnetic quantum number talks about the orientation and shape of orbital sub energy level depends upon the value of n and L. Next one is spin quantum number. What is spin quantum number is the electron not only rotates around the nucleus in an atom, and also it rotates on its own head. The rotation of electron on its own axis, if it is in clockwise direction, the spin value is plus half. The rotation of electron on its own axis, if it is in anti-clockwise direction, the spin quantum number value is minus half. So rotation of electron on its own axis in clockwise direction, spin value is plus half. The rotation of electron on its own axis, if it is in anti-clockwise direction, the value is minus half. Next one is how to calculate the orbital with the given value of n and L, principal quantum number and azimuthal quantum number. For the n is equal to 2, L is equal to 0, that orbital is 2s orbital. L is equal to 0 means s orbital. For the n is equal to 4 and L is equal to 1, what is the orbital? L is equal to 4 main energy level, L is equal to 1 means p orbital, 4p orbital. And 6d, n is equal to 6, L is equal to 3 means it is 6d orbital. And for 4s orbital means n is equal to 4 and s orbital, L is equal to 0. So with the given n value, the what orbital can be calculated by using quantum numbers. For the given orbital and n, L and L value can also be calculated. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.